Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok video from your profile. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you would like to delete some of your videos on your TikTok you don't need anymore, then follow the steps. Start by tapping open TikTok application from your app drawer. Once you end up in the home screen of TikTok, make sure you're signed into your account. Now, in order to delete a video from your profile, go visit your profile. To go to your profile, tap on the Me button at the bottom right, and you'll end up in your profile of TikTok. Getting rid of videos that you no longer need on TikTok is pretty simple. All you have to do is open up a video that you would like to delete. Once you open up the video, tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, which is located right here, and there will be a pop-up from the bottom of the screen. You'll be able to see there are several options there. Scroll all the way towards the left side and you'll locate a delete button. Tap on delete and from the pop-up, select delete. Once you tap the delete button from the pop-up, your video from your profile will be deleted. That is how you can easily get rid of TikTok videos that you no longer wanted to appear in your profile. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.